With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question is, how do alkanes, alkenes and alkynes differ from each other with respect to nature of bonds between the carbon atoms? So in this question, they are talking about the nature of bonds between the carbon atoms present in the hydrocarbons, alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Now, the difference between alkanes, alkenes and alkynes is the nature of bonds or the number of bonds that are between the atoms. Okay. So this is alkene and this is alkyne. Now, between the two carbon atoms, alkane always have a single bond, whereas alkenes have double bond, at least one double bond, and alkynes have at least one triple bond between the carbon atoms. Okay, so let's take an example. So let's take ethane. So two carbon atom hydrocarbon for each of these. So we will take ethane, here we will take ethene, whereas here we will take ethyne. So the structure of ethane is something like this. Okay, that means that a single bond is present between the two carbon atoms. The structure of ethene is something like this, and the structure of ethyne is something like this. Now, as you know that a carbon atom has 4 electrons in its outermost shell, and all these 4 electrons needs to be forming bonds. Okay, now in this carbon atoms, 1 electron has already been involved in forming bonds. The other electrons are going to be forming bonds with hydrogen, something like this. Here 2 electrons are involved in forming bonds, so other 2 will be attached with hydrogen, something like this. And here 3 electrons have been involved in forming bonds, so the other 2 will be attached like this. So that is the structure of the same number of carbon atoms for different hydrocarbons like this, ethane, ethene and ethyne. Okay, so as you can clearly see, the number of bonds between the two carbon atoms is 1, 2 and 3. That is a single bond, a double bond and a triple bond in alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Okay, so that is the nature of bond between the carbon atoms in each of these. Okay, at least in alkenes, at least one has like one double bond needs to be present for it to be an alkene, and at least one triple bond needs to be present for it to be an alkyne. Okay, so that was the explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.